model. Pandas will help us load, prepare, manipulate, model, and analyze data. But the most important feature of pandas are data frames. These will allow us to see information in matrices labeled at the rows and the column levels. Matplotlib is a comprehensive library for creating statistic, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. It will allow us to use different plot functions with just a few lines of code and can be customized to the model. We'll use them to analyze output data and find insights relating the different variables. Finally, we'll use sklearn for our prediction modeling. This library is one of the most useful tools for machine learning in Python as it provides a range of supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms. Sklearn is focused on modeling data, not loading, manipulating, or summarizing. For this, we'll use pandas library. Some of the most popular models provided by sklearn include clustering, cross-validation, dimensionality reduction, feature selection, and supervised models.